Hello everyone, I'm Amrita this side. I'm a passed out student from Max Digital Academy for my digital marketing course. Right now, I'm here to tell you about how my journey has been into digital marketing, how I came to know about this academy, and what all I learned, how it went, how was my entire experience. This is basically about that. So starting with my graduation, I had already done my graduation and was like I knew like with just one this degree kind of thing, this bachelor's degree, I'm not going to get any, get into some career because like right now companies are looking for people who are extraordinary or like they know more than one thing, right? So degree is not going to work anywhere. You should know that. Even if you're passed out or this graduate, postgraduate, for like these kind of, not for this BTech and all, but okay, these degrees have got no value. So I realized like I have to do something different, something that's in trend, that's going to emerge in the future. So I thought like digital marketing is going to be a good idea for that. So I was just searching on internet, where should I go, where like the concern that was arising was the fees kind of thing, because I had to look for funds, like I could not invest too much into that time. So that was my problem. So I was looking for something that's really good and in budget. I had searched for various institutes on Google, so many. I did not connect with many, but I guess one or two. Then I came to know about this academy, Max Digital Academy. I got into touch with Anurag sir, and he told me about what all modules are there in the syllabus and what all I'll be learning. See, all these things he made me clear. Also the fees thing. Uh, the best part was that at that time I was getting some scholarship kind of thing, and it was more beneficial for me, and then more in budget. So I had to convince my parents for that. Okay, I want to pursue this course because they're also like, okay, you have done your graduation, get into some job, do some job, because it's not very easy for us to make them understand when that is something different. So coming back to how my journey has been, so I have completed my course, and right now I'm working as an SEO consultant. Uh, so I was not sure. In the beginning, I was not sure how am I going to do that. Like at times we get nervous when you are not able to crack interviews or things go negative in some or the other manner. You feel like, okay, I'm not able to. You just your morale gets down. So this had I had also faced this part in my life. Uh, but what I would say, and I'll be really thankful to Anurag sir. He has been very supportive and strict at the same time. And there was a time with me when I felt like, okay, I am not going to go for any interview. I'm not going to appear for interview because I was feeling negative, getting if you're rejected once or twice, then it feels like, okay, I'm not worth it, I'm not going to pursue anything and all. So I was worried. I was literally emotionally down, and then he said, okay, you have to give the interview, and there is no second option. Okay, so okay, I was like, okay, I had to follow what he said. I went for the second, for my second job, right? I had to change. I gave my interview, things went well. I was like, okay, right now it's going good. So it felt good. This was the best part, best part I would say that happened to me during this journey with this interaction, and how he said that you have to give the interview. That was that was good, actually. So I'm not going to forget that. And Sanjay sir has been very supportive. Uh, it's not that just the class thing that they'll teach you in the class and they are done. It's not like that. I was always like, I love to do this graphic designing thing. So I when I was doing my projects and my this job kind of thing, I was facing errors in setting the dimension, or some errors were there, right? It was pixelating or something like that. So I could text him any way, and would be getting a reply. And also I just called him okay sir, this and this is the problem that I'm facing, please help me out with that. He was immediately helpful. This was the best thing I would say that happened during this journey of mine. I don't know, like just for a while, if I think, like if I had not pursued this course from Max Digital Academy, where have I been? I don't think something good would have happened. This has given a kickstart to my career, I would say. Otherwise, I don't think I could have got into this digital media kind of thing. So, if you're willing to see, uh, on your perspective, I'm telling you, if you are a Lucknowite or even outside from outside and willing to pursue some digital marketing course, you should at least get in touch, because first thing, it's like I'll just tell you what are the benefits being here, being a student. The fees is minimal, like they are not charging a lot like at the other lavish institutes. They are not charging a lot. This is something very good about. Teachers are supportive, not only on the professional front, like not only in the institute, but overall they are going to help you whenever you need them. You can just drop a message and you'll get a reply. You'll get like your query will be answered. So that is something important that everybody wants, because okay, you can Google it as well, but when you feel the support, okay, I can just ask for someone for the like my query and I'll be answered quickly. That this is really good about our institute. It's our institute, obviously. Even if I passed out, it will be my institute, I would say. Moreover, fees is minimal. They are so supportive. They are going to they are not going to let your morale get down. Even if you feel that okay, things are not going in the right direction, they are going to be very helpful for you, help you throughout, like teaching you throughout the course, and then helping you to get into your job. And if you are facing problems during your job timings or anything, like during your job, right, they are going to help you in each and everything. This is something good. Even I guess even if I stay connected with them forever, nothing's gonna change. So I would recommend you, if you are feeling to have any query for digital marketing or course or persuasion, you should just try. Have a good career and best of luck.